So welcome children. So last session we discussed about what? About the alkyl group. So alkyl group is nothing but in that alkane we have to remove one hydrogen, that is known as alkyl group. So in that, for example, so last session we will discuss about the pentane now. So pentane means how many carbon? 5 carbon, that is CH3, CH2. So in CH2, how many CH2 is in between in pentane? How many children? 3. And CH3. So totally how many carbon? 1, here 3, totally 4, and here 1 plus 1, 5. So it is pentane. So in that we have to remove one hydrogen. So that, what is the formula children here come? So CH3, CH2, thrice CH2. It is pentyl. So how many carbon is there? 5 carbon. What is the root word? Pent. Pent. So here one hydrogen is removed, so that it's alkyl group. So alkyl group means in that suffix we have to represent YL. It is pentyl. So if the compounds is having aromatic, that is aromatic means that benzene, it is the formula is C6H6. The molecular formula for benzene is C6H6. So in that, if one hydrogen is removed means we can tell it as C6H5. So with that benzene molecules also it can be, we can tell it as benzyl. Benzyl means one hydrogen is removed. So that's also that aromatic compounds, that alkyl group is also present. If it is present means that one hydrogen should be removed. Instead of C6H6 we have to write C6H5. And polyester, what is meant by polyester children? The poly indicates many, ester indicates it's having ester linkage, and polyester is the synthetic fiber, and it's polymer compound. It's a polymer compound. So polymer means what? Containing multiple units. Containing multiple units linked by ester. Containing multiple units which is linked by ester linkage. The ester functional group formula is R C double bond O R dash. So these R dash indicates it's having different alkyl group. If the R only will be present here means it's having same alkyl group. The R dash means it's having different alkyl group. So for example, you just consider. So these R is as methyl. So methyl means what is the formula for methyl? CH3. So these R dash indicates ethyl. Ethyl means what is the formula? CH2 CH3. So that we can write it here. So the R indicates alkyl group. So the R indicates alkyl group, and if the R dash is also indicated in that functional group, in that formula means that R dash indicates it's having different alkyl groups are there. So that it will show that, so here one alkyl group is there, and here also another alkyl group is there. So both are same? No. Both alkyl groups are different. So that's why here they indicated as R dash. R dash indicates different alkyl groups. And this is the polyester fiber. And this is the compound we have to prepare, that is polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. So that in the shortcut we can write it as PET. So PET indicates polyethylene terephthalate. So in that it's having the ester functional group. So here you can see what? The benzene ring. And benzene ring, so here you can see R double bond O. So these R indicates this benzene ring. And C double bond O. And R dash indicates different alkyl group. So here having CH2, CH2. So this is the polyester compound. And next we can go for the preparation. So how the polyester can be prepared? What is the preparation? How it can be prepared? So for nylon 6,6, what is the starting material there we needed? We needed. So what is that needed? What is the need? We need adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. So in that same way, so here for polyester, the starting material, which is dimethyl terephthalate. Dimethyl terephthalate. So the terephthalate means in that benzene ring, it will forming C double bond O. And methyl indicates CH3. So methane means CH4. Methyl means we have to reduce one hydrogen. When we reduce one hydrogen means what is that formula, children? CH3. So di indicates it's having 2 methyl. So that we can write it as CH3 in both sides. So dimethyl terephthalate. With dimethyl terephthalate, we needed another compound also, that is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. With the ethylene glycol, so first we are replacing this methyl group as hydrogen. So the dimethyl terephthalate can be replaced as terephthalic acid. So in that CH3 it can be replaced as hydrogen, that is terephthalic acid, and we needed ethylene glycol, that is ethane 1,2 diol. So ethane indicates it having 2 carbon. Ethane indicates 2 carbon. 1,2 indicates in first carbon and also second carbon, it's having, so 1,2 diol. Di indicates 2, and all OL in that, if the alcohol compound is present means, that functional group, that is OH. For that, if we have to write IUPAC in a means, that suffix we have to add OL, so that we can write it as diol. So di indicates 2 alcohol groups is there. All indicates alcohol means the suffix we have to write OL. So 1,2 indicates in first carbon and second carbon it's having that OH. So that we can write as ethane 1,2 diol and terephthalic acid. So terephthalic acid means, so in the benzene ring, the 2 terminal position, it's having carboxylic acid. In nylon 6,6 we needed what compound, children, starting material? That is adipic acid. So adipic acid means it's CH2, 4, in that both terminals having carboxylic acid. If terephthalic acid means benzene ring is there, so in that benzene ring, the 2 terminal, it's having carboxylic acid. So here also we have to do the condensation polymerization. So condensation polymerization. What is only condensation polymerization? Removal of ammonia, that is NH3, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and water, H2O. So here also same, the water molecule is removed. You can see here. So in ethylene glycol, in that alcohol compound, the hydrogen is removed here. And here what is removed? The OH is removed. So here the hydrogen is removed. So here one hydrogen, and here the OH is removed, and here also same, here one hydrogen, and here the OH is removed. Understood, children? So here hydrogen and OH, H2O. Here also one hydrogen, here OH. In carboxylic acid, the OH is removed. In alcohol, the hydrogen is removed. So that the two molecules of water is removed. So what is the product we are? Here it's obtained. So here the hydrogen is removed. So oxygen is here. CH2, single bond CH2. So here oxygen is there. So C, double bond O, and benzene ring, and here C, double bond O. So it's a polymer compound. So that's why we can mention it, the square bracket at both ends, and in that subscript we have to written as small n. The small n indicates polymer. So this is the compound we are synthesized. So this name is pteryline or dacron. Its name is pteryline or dacron. And next we can go for the advantages. So what are all the advantages in what? In polyester. So first, it is cushioning materials in pillows. So these pillows are very softness, and it can be used as the water bottles also. We can use these water bottles for drinking, for storing the water, and storing some oils, etc. We can store in the polyester water bottles. And with the help of polyester, we can synthesize dress materials also. The dress materials do not wrinkle easily. So it is the main advantage of polyester. It does not wrinkle easily. And next is, it is used in the finish of wood products. So this polyester is used on wood products for finishing work like guitar, piano, etc. It can be used as a food products, like wood products in finishing work, guitar, piano, etc. And it can be used as a films for pouches, adhesive tapes, capacitors, plastic cards, etc. So these are all the main advantages of polyester. And next, we will go for the project. Just note down the project, children. Make it fast. Make it fast, children. So in the next session, you have to complete this project work, and you have to upload the video, upload the picture in the group. So this is the homework, children, for you. You have to do the project individually, and you have to post the photos in the WhatsApp group. So this is the homework for you, children.